afternoon everyone, hope you're doing well. Are you? Good. Well, I'm Ian Petrie today and I'm going to actually show you how to use smoke bombs. I typically use these for weddings, etc. Now you can get 3 different sizes. I normally use the standard size to super large sizes, but I've actually got some small sizes, so I'm not sure how long these will last. Your standard sizes will last typically about 90 seconds or so, and the large ones 2 to 2.5 minutes of it continuously pumping out the smoke. Once it's pumped out the smoke, you generally have the smoke around for a good, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes or so. Okay, now some really good things that you can do with that is you can put your flashlight, if you know how to use off-camera flash, then you can put that behind the smoke, and then when that lights up, it just lights up all the colour for yourself. So that's one of the things you can do. Of course, you can silhouette your clients as well. It's very good if you use the white colour for that, because that way it just gives you a nice big softbox type sort of feel. Now the way you light these, you've got a safety cap at the top here, okay, and you take it off and you simply just yank the cord here. Okay, now I'm going to give you a close-up of this, so I'm just going to come close to the camera. Okay, so you can see this. You've got your cord here and you just yank it and off you go, the smoke goes. So I'll show you how this works. Okay, so pull the safety cap off. Now it's always a good idea to have some water to nearby yourself, because if it's really dry weather then these can get fairly hot. You should still be able to hold them, but I always recommend wearing gloves. I tend to don't get my clients to hold them, I just put them down in the background, etc. But if it's really dry weather, you don't want it anywhere near, it's going to catch fire. Now lucky today it's fairly a bit of moist around here, so I don't need to worry about it too much. Okay. But either way, once you've used it, you need to pick it up and dispose of it. Don't leave it in wherever you are. It's not good for the environment in that respect. So this is all we do. Hold it here, like that. Look at that colour. Isn't that wild? Now you can use this for weddings, models, get them to do all sorts of fancy poses like this. And it smells like you've just lit a match. Okay, so it's really cool, like that. Now look how quickly that went. Okay, but it's all lingering. Now you've got a bit of wind today, it's blowing it all over this way, but if you haven't got much wind, it's going to sit here and you can do lots of great shots. Now obviously if I was doing this actual photos, what I'll do is I could just move the camera around wherever the smoke is, so the smoke's behind your subject, and create those aspects for yourself. Hopefully that's giving you some insight of how to use smoke bombs and safely. Again, as you can see, I'm touching it and it's not that hot. You see, the bigger ones will get a bit hotter, so just be aware of that. Okay, so I'm now just going to put that cap back on. I'll put that in my bag and we'll go forward from that. But if you did like this tutorial, please just give us a little thumbs up. Drop any comments on how you use smoke bombs, if you use them. If you've never used them before, give us your comments on what you think. I get these from Amazon, or you can get them straight from Genola smoke website, which is where you can get these from. Various different colours, and hopefully you like it. Until then, subscribe and we'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.